Today we are going to make chocolate brownie using sweet potato, and this brownie is very healthy and gooey and chewy. So before we start with the recipe, if you have not subscribed my channel, please click the red subscribe button below the video and hit the bell icon. So today's recipe is with sweet potato. Here I am taking this one sweet potato. I will be cooking it in cooker for 3 whistles so that the sweet potato is completely soft. Then in a pan I will be roasting half cup of oats. This is a dry roast, so no need to add any oil, just dry roast for few minutes, maybe for 1 or 2 minutes. You will get nice crisp aroma of oats. Oats is very healthy, high in fiber. It helps in reducing the blood sugar and blood cholesterol. So once you finish the dry roasting, add the oats to a mixie jar. And you have to blend the oats till you get a coarse powder of the oats. Now to the mixie jar, add the steamed sweet potato. It will be already soft and mushy, so that's very easy to blend. Then add 1 cup of brown sugar. Here I am taking brown sugar because it gives a nice caramelized flavor. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use normal sugar also. And then add 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. Then to this I will be adding 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. This is normal milk at room temperature. Blend all of them till they turn into fine paste. So now this is the baking tray, and I have taken homemade butter paper. If you have not seen the homemade butter paper video, you can check the link in the description box. Now you can pour the perfect gooey chocolatey mixture into the pan and make sure you flatten it equally so that it bakes evenly. So now we have to bake this. We have to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes our perfect gooey brownie will be ready. Meanwhile, I have taken a bar of chocolate, and to this I have added 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of milk, and I have heated this in microwave for 1 minute, and then you get a perfect chocolate sauce to pour on top of your brownie. So this is our brownie. Let's check if it is cooked. If it's perfectly cooked, it will not stick to anything. There's nothing sticking to the knife, so it's perfectly cooked for within 20 minutes. If yours is not baked in 20 minutes, you can bake it for another 5 minutes more, and then you will get a perfect brownie. Add the chocolate sauce on top of and place it in the fridge for half an hour so that the chocolate is perfectly set on top of the brownie. So after half an hour our brownie looks like this. I'll make it into small cubes. You can cut it in any shapes which you like before you serve. This is a healthy version of chocolate brownie in which I have used oats, sweet potato and very less oil. Do try it and I am sure you all will love it because it's very easy to make and most of the ingredients are easily available in everybody's house. So do try it and let me know in the comment section about your opinion. If you have liked the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye till we meet next time.